Do you ever find yourself in a pickle? Or at least when it comes to those pesky jars? Today we're gonna make a non-slip jar opener. First, you're gonna need a fat quarter or a 5x5" scrap and the rug gripper material under your rugs. First thing we're gonna do is cut each material into a 5x5 square. We're gonna place our ruler on the 5 and 5" mark, and we're gonna cut out our fun pickle fabric or fabric of your choice to 5x5. And you'll also cut the same size out of your rug gripper material. Next thing you're gonna do is lay your pickle fabric pretty side down on your gripper material, and then you're gonna sew all the way around using a 1/2" seam allowance, leaving about a 2" hole so you can flip it inside out. Now what you can do is snip your corners, making sure you don't cut through your seam, and then you can flip it inside out. Now that you have it turned inside out, you can take a pencil or chopstick to help poke your corners out, but do not ever use your scissors. Next thing you're gonna do is fold your seam in on your opening, and then you can top stitch all the way around. Now that you have it top stitched all the way around, you can open up your pickle jar. Make sure you follow or subscribe for more solutions.